Welcome to the top best. The best mountain bike wheels is probably one of the most crucial upgrades you can make to your ride. They significantly impact your bike's performance, affecting everything from how quickly you accelerate to how smoothly you roll over rough terrain. Choosing the right set can be the difference between a thrilling ride and a frustrating one. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of mountain bike wheels, helping you navigate the options and find the perfect set for your needs. Number 5. Mongoose Dolomite Fat Tire Men's Mountain Bike. This mountain bike is perfect for riders between 5 feet 4 inches to 6 foot tall. It's designed to effortlessly handle any off-road adventure, thanks to its durable build and specialized tires. Featuring a sturdy steel frame and supersized knobby tires, this bike is built for rugged terrain. The 26-inch wheels provide stability and control, making it easier to navigate challenging trails. The bike is adjustable to fit riders of different heights. The threadless headset enhances speed and performance, while the lightweight alloy rims help to keep the weight down. Enjoy a comfortable ride with the beach cruiser pedals. Safety is a priority, with front and rear mechanical disc brakes providing reliable stopping power in various conditions. The 1x7 drivetrain offers smooth gear transitions, ensuring optimal power transfer during your rides. This feature enhances the overall riding experience, making it easier to tackle hills and vary terrain. The bike arrives 80% assembled, and you'll need a few common tools to finish the job. These include a Phillips head screwdriver, Allen wrenches, an adjustable wrench, and a pair of pliers. What we like. This bike features a durable steel frame and knobby tires, perfect for tackling any trail. The 1x7 drivetrain offers smooth gear transitions for optimal power. If you're looking for a reliable mountain bike for off-road adventures, this is a great choice. What people say. The wheels are light and spin up quickly. The engagement is fast and the wheels feel stiff and responsive. The hubs are smooth and the wheels have stayed true after several rides. Number 4. CyclingDeal Adjustable Bike Kickstand for 24 to 29 bikes. This kickstand features a unique, patented clamp design specifically for kids' bikes. The innovative 3 bolts plus 4 screws design ensures superior stability and durability, outperforming other designs. This kickstand is designed to fit wheel sizes between 16 to 20 inches, perfect for a wide range of kids' bikes. It is compatible with rear chainstay thicknesses ranging from 15 mm to 25 mm, with a maximum height of 30 mm. Crafted from premium quality melt-forged aluminum alloy, this kickstand guarantees durability and longevity. It is built to withstand everyday use, ensuring it will last for years to come. Installing the kickstand is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly design. You can easily attach it to the bike by tightening the 3 big bolts and 4 little screws. The length is adjustable with the Allen key bolt. We are so confident about the product quality that we provide a lifetime warranty. Get yours today and enjoy the convenience and security it provides. What we like. The kickstand's patented clamp design ensures a secure and sturdy attachment. It's adjustable to fit various kids' bike sizes and made from durable aluminum alloy. If you have a child who needs a reliable way to park their bike, this kickstand is a must-have. What people say. The wheels are light and spin up quickly. The engagement is fast and the wheels feel stiff and responsive. The hubs are smooth and the wheels have stayed true. Number 3. Alpcour Bike Trainer Replacement Skewer. Introducing the Alpcour Skewer, designed to be your bike trainer's best companion. This product ensures your bike stays upright and stable during indoor training, preventing any unwanted tipping. This rear wheel replacement skewer simplifies setup, saving you time and effort. Installation and removal are incredibly easy, allowing you to quickly get ready for your ride. With its quick release feature, this skewer is easy to lock into place. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, it provides a secure and firm hold for any training intensity. This skewer is compatible with most bike trainers. For the best fit, use it with Alpcour bike trainer stands. It fits rear axles with a diameter of 4.92-6.57. Made with high-quality alloy, this skewer offers exceptional hardness, sturdiness, and corrosion resistance. It's built to last, making it ideal for all weather conditions and perfect for both road and mountain bikes. What we like. This skewer features a quick-release design for easy setup and removal. It's made from durable alloy material, ensuring it can withstand rigorous training. If you are a beginner or professional biker looking for a reliable and easy-to-use skewer for your trainer, this is a great choice. What people say. Super easy and straightforward installation. Good instrumental and quick install. Nice product. Exactly as ordered, worked perfectly. The skewer worked great for putting our Trek Townie on our Cyclops trainer. Recommended. Number 2. BUCKLOS MTB Wheelset, Quick Release Disc Brakes. Introducing the BUCKLOS MTB Wheelset. This wheelset is designed to make your long-distance rides easier. The smooth seal bearing effectively increases transmission efficiency. Made with a carbon fiber hub and aluminum alloy rim, it's both lighter and stronger. This design ensures a smooth and reliable ride, weighing only 3.8 kilograms for the pair. Installing this wheelset is a breeze. Each wheel comes with a quick-release lever, allowing even beginners to set it up in seconds. It's that simple. The flat spokes on this wheelset reduce wind resistance. This unique design helps increase your speed and improve your overall riding experience. BUCKLOS is committed to providing top-quality products and professional service. The brand has already assisted over 1 million users worldwide. Trust in this product for your next adventure. What we like. The wheelset features a carbon fiber hub and low-resistant flat spokes for increased speed. It also has a quick-release design for easy installation. If you like a lightweight and fast wheelset for your mountain bike, this is a great option. What people say. The wheels are light and spin up quickly. The engagement is fast and the hubs are smooth. The rims are wide and the tires feel great. Number 1. WheelMaster 26 Alloy Mountain Disc Double Wall. Introducing the WheelMaster 26 Alloy Mountain Disc. This wheel is designed for rugged terrain and provides excellent performance. It's built to handle the toughest trails. This wheel features a 26-inch wheel size, also known as ISO 559. This size is a popular choice for mountain bikes, offering a balance of agility and rolling efficiency. It's a great choice for various riding styles. The rim model is WEI XM280 disc. This rim is known for its durability and strength. It's designed to withstand impacts and provide a reliable ride. The hub model is WMMT 2000. This hub ensures smooth and efficient rotation. It contributes to the overall performance and reliability of the wheel. It has a spoke count of 36H. This design provides added strength and stability. This ensures the wheel can handle the stresses of off-road riding. This wheel uses a 6B rotor mount. This is a standard for disc brakes, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of brake systems. This feature enhances the bike's stopping power. What we like. This wheel features a double-wall rim and is disc brake compatible. The 36H spoke count provides added strength and durability. If you are looking for a reliable and sturdy wheel for your mountain bike, this is a great choice. What people say. The wheels are light and spin up quickly. The engagement is fast and the wheels feel stiff and responsive. The wheels have a nice wide internal width, which gives the tire a good profile. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.